have to find the water. So tayammum is required, like we can do the tayammum, okay, if the water is not around you, and if the water is dirty, you find the water but it's dirty or it's so much little, so you can do the tayammum. And tayammum can do with the dash. So Aisha, what do you think tayammum can do with the
And
sand? Okay, okay, Noor, we can do the tayammum when the water is not here. For example, you cannot find the water, you are in the desert and you are not finding any water for the namaz, for the wuzu, right? So with the obviously we are doing the wuzu with the water, but you are not finding the water, so you can do the tayammum with the sand. You can find sand anywhere, because there is where are you, you are, for example, you are on the floor, so obviously the floor is made from the sand. Okay, so if you find sand, you just make a niya. Three steps for the tayammum. Listen carefully, everyone. Three steps for the tayammum. You can just make a niya that you are doing tayammum. The second one, you have to strike both hands on the earth. Strike it. Okay, so and the passing them on your face. First strike on the sand, or strike on the floor, strike on the earth, okay, whichever you have, and just pass your hands on the face, and then strike both hands again on the earth and passing them over the forearms. Simple. So your tayammum is completed. See, like this, you can see this hand, so you can just strike it, move on your face, then strike it, and then move on your forearms, till forearms. So the tayammum can complete it. Okay, so you can offer prayer, but in which case, if you are not finding the water, and there are rules of the tayammum. For example, you can see this. If after searching for the water, if is it not found within a radius of the 2.5 kilometer, around the 2.5 kilometer the water is not finding, then you can do the tayammum. Otherwise, for example, the water is next to your door, or the water is near to your neighbor, so you can just take up you can ask them for the water and you can just take it and do the wudu, right? So this is a rule. If you are not finding the water according to 2.5 kilometer, so you can do the tayammum with the sand. Okay, and if you like, if water is there and but you are so much ill, or you, or water can harm you, so in this position you can do tayammum. Or if by making a wuzu you will miss the janaza or eid salah, Eid Salah, the namaz of the Eid, or the janaza, if the namaz will miss, so and the time is very short, so you can do the tayammum quickly and do the namaz. Okay, so this is also the condition for the tayammum. The fourth condition, if there is a fear that you will attacked by the animals or the snakes while trying to fetch the water. For example, you are in the jungle type things and you are in the desert and you will find anything harm, like for example, you will find any harmful animal for the searching of the water. So you can just stop searching and just do the tayammum where you are, and just do your tayammum. The fifth point, if you have only enough water for drinking purpose, for example, you have the water but it's only for the drinking purpose, you have enough water, so you can just do the tayammum in that case. Okay, so these are the things that you can make a tayammum in these conditions. And in the sixth point, all things that broke the wuzu or the tayammum. For example, Simon T was telling you that the breaking of the wuzu, how your wuzu was broke. So same, your tayammum was broken. What are the conditions? Conditions are passing urine, stool, or vein, the flowing of the blood or pus from any part of the body, or vomiting, or a mouthful, or a laughing, or a drought, laughing aloud. So during the swala, so these things can broke your wuzu. Okay, so just remember, do not make a laugh aloud during the swala, or a vomit can your wuzu will be break, like these things, so just avoid these things. Okay, then this is the revision of our things, okay? And in the second last class I was explaining times of salah and everything. So now tell me if you have any condition, if you have any questions related these topics, just quickly. How to read salah, you can find the question from this topic. You forbidden times of the salah, there are 3 forbidden times: sunrise, sunset, and the zawal time. I was explaining times of salah 5 times: fajr, zohar, asr, maghrib, isha. They are 5 different times. So these are the things. So you have any questions, you can type your questions. Okay, inshallah. So I will send you the book after the class. You can just check the book. If you are not finding the book, you can just text me on Monday in the Saimandi class. I will send you the book again. Okay, and just be prepared for the test. Inshallah ta'ala, on the Thursday I will take a test. Okay, now you can go. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz everyone.
Allah Hafiz.